First up, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Z Fold has this super futuristic vibe. It features a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display when unfolded, which gives you the space of a tablet in your pocket. And when folded, it's compact enough to slip right into your pocket. Seriously, this thing feels like magic every time you open it up. Now, the hinge design is really solid. You've got that signature crease in the middle, but it's not as noticeable as you might think. Plus, Samsung's done a great job making sure it's durable with their improved hinge and ultra-thin glass, so no worries about wear and tear. Moving on to the display, this 7.6-inch screen is absolutely stunning. It's vibrant, clear, and super responsive. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or multitasking, everything just looks crisp and smooth. And when folded, you still get a 6.2-inch display on the outside that's perfect for quick notifications and making calls. Multitasking is where this phone really shines. You can run 3 apps side by side, and switching between them is seamless. It's a productivity dream, especially if you're on the go.
This is the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Photo editing just got a whole lot easier thanks to the 7.6-inch fold-out screen, and with Samsung's new Galaxy AI features, you can easily remove unwanted objects from your photos, or even add new objects in with a sketch-to-image feature. Let me know how you would use Galaxy AI.
This phone is no slouch. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 12 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB or 1 TB storage option, performance is lightning fast. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing, everything runs buttery smooth with no hiccups. As for battery life, the Z Fold packs a 4,400 mAh battery. With moderate use, it'll get you through a full day. I'd say you're looking at around 5 to 6 hours of screen-on time, depending on how heavy you use it. And don't worry, it supports 25-watt fast charging, so you're not stuck waiting too long when it needs a power boost. And of course, Samsung's One UI enhances the experience here. With features like app continuity, your apps seamlessly transition between the folded and unfolded modes. You've got a ton of customization options and split-screen features to make the most of that massive display. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.